Hey guys, so welcome back. Started working on my Nova here after I got back from a drive, and I don't know if you noticed in a previous video, the GoPro was on this side of the car pointing backwards, and you could see that this rear wheel had a little wobble to it. I was thinking bent rim, bent axle. So I decided to check it out and see what I could find out. So what I did was I put my little micrometer here, put this guy on the leaf spring, mounted it up right up in here like this, and set the needle on the inside of the rim, okay, and then spun the wheel, and I got 33 thousandths of an inch wobble to it. Okay, so I thought, could that be a bent rim? So I decided to keep on going down. So I took the wheel off, put the micrometer on the disc brake with a couple of lug nuts on there, and I got roughly about 15 thousandths. Okay, so I thought, okay, rust on here or something. So I went ahead and cleaned it all off and checked it, make sure there was no high spots on here. Checked the inside of the disc. Did I catch a piece of rust or something in there? So I buffed all that out and cleaned all that out. And then, check this out. So I decided, okay, let's put this back on and check it again and see if I clean everything up. And I put that on there, and then I thought, okay, oh, look at that. So I'm looking inside the holes here. Get a good look at that right there. See how that's not all the way down? Hopefully you can see that real good. But basically what it's doing is giving me wobble here. I thought, what is going on there? All the way around. So I'm looking, don't see any obstruction. And then I see this ridge right here. This ridge right there. So that ridge is sitting right on the edge of this tapered part right here. I want to make sure I'm getting a good spot there. Here's what I want you to show you. So here's a flat spot right there, and then here's the taper, and that ridge is setting right there, right on that spot right there. So it's not letting it set completely flat. So I've either got to open this up in here or grind that ridge down. So I would prefer that I have enough meat on here, because you can see there's not much there, right? When you look at that taper, you've only got 1/8 of an inch right there. And if I put this on here, I'm almost, well, I'm at least a 1/16 of an inch off of the axle backing here. So that doesn't leave much. So I think I'm going to try to grind this down all the way around. That's not going to be fun. And I think this is the tool I need. Let's see how this works. try this. Sorry about the compressor, but you know, it's a real shame that you got to do this because, well, I keep coming back to, you know, my front brakes are the Willwood, fit like a champ. Okay? These back ones are made by the right stuff, and if you saw a previous video, you'll see that they gave me all of the instructions for a front disc conversion, not the rear brakes, and these are for rear brakes. Even though I did get all of the right parts and things like that for the rear, but now I hear, you know, this is supposed to be a, you know, a plug and play. Just put these discs on here and rock and roll, right? And here you got to do these modifications now. You got no instructions. I tell you, I'm not pleased with the right stuff. Almost got it. Just a tiny bit of wobble right there. I don't know if you can see that. There. We got it. Good deal. So tough. Get these two little spacers back inside there. That's what I'm fiddling with right now. All right. Let me get you guys set up over here so you can see. All right. Zero that out here. We still got wobble, folks. $16,000s. Okay, that's much better. That is much better. About 3,000s. Okay, that looks like a straight wheel. So I must have a little wobble in the disc. All right, so the next test is put the wheel on and check the wobble in the rim. bit of waver to it, so it is slightly bent. So I had both problems. All right, so until next time, adios, and hope you enjoyed the video. And don't forget to subscribe and click the notification on the